Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. This video is going to be really beneficial for you because in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do some premium paid courses for free and get a free certificate as well. The platform that is offering these courses is usually known for its really good paid courses, but in this video, we're going to see how you can do those paid courses for absolutely free. And yes, you'll get a free certificate along with the courses as well. And the great thing is, you can find courses in absolutely any field on this platform. Be it medical, IT, business, language, be it any subject, you can find the courses on this platform. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to get daily updates about scholarships, fellowships, internships, and much more. Also, don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel as well. You can find the link in the description or in the community tab of channel. So the platform I'm talking about is Alison.com. Alison is a free online education platform that mostly focuses on work-based skills. This platform has been active since 2007 and is providing online courses to people, so it's kind of an old platform. So you can expect a pretty good content of the courses. There's around 3,000 to 5,000 courses on this platform in so many different fields. In addition to the online courses, Alison.com also offers some diploma courses, which you can do for free and get the certificate. You can upload the certificate to your resume, to your LinkedIn profile, and it will definitely add a value to your profile. So in this video, we're going to see how to register, how to enroll in courses, and how to get the certificate. We're going to get into the whole thing. So let's see. So I'll give the link in the description below. When you click on the link below, you'll see a page like this. So you can see here they have courses in IT, language, sales and marketing, management, health, business, engineering, personal development, and much more. When you scroll down, you'll see so many courses on here. So first of all, you need to register yourself on Alison.com. The process is really simple. Just click on sign up. And then you can sign up using Facebook, Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn, or you can just enter your name, first name, email address, password, and sign up yourself. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. You can see some medals on here. These are the modules you gain after completing a course. Now, if you click on course categories, you'll see multiple fields on here. You can select any of the subject or any of the field. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see some related subjects of the field. So you can select any of the subject. I'm selecting psychology, so I can see psychology courses on here. And now you can see here top 20 psychology courses. You guys been asking for psychology courses for so long, so this is the platform for you. This is where you can find courses related to so many fields, so you should definitely take advantage from this platform. Now if you want to do any of the courses from this list, just click on Start Course. And then you can see the course content on here. This is the video of the course. You can start from here. This is how you can enroll in the course. It's pretty simple. After completing the course, you have to pass a final assessment at the end of the course, and you have to get 80% marks in the assessment. You can retake the assessment as many times as you want, so that's a good thing too. Now, after completing the course and after completing all the modules, and at the end getting 80% marks in the assessment test, you are eligible for the certificate. You need to go to the dashboard and scroll down a little bit. You'll see a box here which says completed courses, and then you can see an option here, get your certificate. So after completing the course, you can click on get your certificate and download your certificate from here. This is how you need to complete the course and get the certificate and enhance your skills. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles. Thanks for watching. For more amazing and useful content, you can also join us on our Telegram channel. You can access the link which is present in the community tab. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.